Ever deleted a file, emptied the recycle bin, then felt that pang of regret? We've all been there. Good news is deleting a file doesn't instantly vaporize it. Windows just marks that space as available for new data. Basic recovery tools work great if you act fast. But life happens, and sometimes you need advanced techniques that dig deeper. These methods understand how your drive stores information, going beyond what Windows shows you. This guide will equip you with the tools and know how to tackle even the most challenging data recovery scenarios. Before we dive into the deep end, let's start with a tool you might already have. Windows File Recovery, it's a command line tool, so fire up PowerShell as administrator. The key is understanding its modes. Mode is for recent deletions on NTFS drives, but the real magic happens in mode, which scans deeper, even on formatted drives or those using FAT/exFAT file systems. Specify the source drive, the destination for recovered files, never the same drive, and some optional filters. Windows. File recovery is a great starting point, especially for recent deletions. Remember that messy roommate analogy? Sometimes they don't just misplace files, they rearrange the entire apartment. That's where TestDisk and PhotoRec come in. Think of partitions as rooms in your hard drive's apartment. TestDisk can fix walls, recover partitions, find lost keys, rebuild boot sectors, and even recover deleted partitions. PhotoRec dives into the raw data, looking for signatures of known file types. Pictures, documents, videos, you name it, PhotoRec probably knows how to find it. Both tools are run from the command line, but they're surprisingly intuitive. Just follow the on-screen prompts, selecting the drive and recovery options. TestDisk and PhotoRec are lifesavers for partition-related data loss. DiskGenius is like the tech-savvy friend who can fix anything. It combines powerful partition management features with advanced data recovery algorithms, all wrapped up in a sleek and user-friendly interface. One of its standout features is the AI-powered recovery option. By analyzing millions of data fragments, DiskGenius can piece together files even when traditional methods fail. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for data recovery, including lost partition recovery, file recovery from formatted drives, and even raw drive recovery. DiskGenius is a powerful all-rounder, perfect for a wide range of data loss scenarios. RStudio is the data recovery equivalent of a SWAT team. It's a professional-grade tool designed to tackle the most challenging data recovery scenarios. What sets RStudio apart is its ability to work with severely damaged drives. It can reconstruct RAID arrays, recover data from drives with bad sectors, and even retrieve files from disks that have been overwritten multiple times. RStudio's interface is packed with features which can be overwhelming for beginners. However, there are plenty of tutorials and resources available online. RStudio is a powerful tool for anyone dealing with significant data loss. What about those curveball situations, like you encrypted your drive for security, but now can't access your own files? Or maybe your virtual machine crashed harder than a blue screen of death. First rule, don't panic duplicate. Clone the encrypted drive or VM's virtual hard disk. For encrypted drives, recovery depends on the method used. BitLocker, you'll need that recovery key. Third-party software, hope you remember the password. Virtual machines are slightly less terrifying. Treat the VM's hard disk image like a regular drive and use the tools we've discussed. These situations highlight a crucial point. Prevention is better than cure. We've covered a lot of ground here, from basic file undelete tools to software that borders on digital sorcery. But the most important lesson? All this becomes easier if you have a good backup strategy. Data recovery is like performing surgery, stressful and time-consuming. Backups, on the other hand, are like taking your vitamins, simple and routine. There's a backup solution for everyone, from cloud services to external hard drives. Find what works for you and make it a habit. The best way to win the data recovery game is to never have to play it at all. Back up your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.